What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I'm super fucking stoked about Castle Crash. It's only about 3 weeks away, and we have been busting our asses planning this event, trying to figure out who all the sponsors are, what all the events are, updating the website, building a map, putting together a schedule. And the first thing I want to do is tell you about two new sponsors. First is BrandanFPV and WorryFree. Fuck, these are upside down. This is WorryFree conformal coating from Brandon. He has committed to give 100 tubes of WorryFree away for free. So the first 100 attendees are going to get tubes. And then at the event, he'll be selling kits. And if you buy one kit, he will throw in one tube for free with every kit. So you'll be getting double the tubes. Really fucking stoked. Can't wait to see everybody out at Castle Crash. And I got one more announcement. ChinaHobbyLine and Fly High FPV are going to give away 20 Lipos. That's right, 20 Lipos. I got 6S 1100s, 6S 1300s, and 4S 1500s. Giving them away. I'm going to do 20 at Castle Crash and 20 at Mindfield Meetup. Mindfield Meetup is like a week away, August 19th and 20th in Brownsville, Tennessee with Ken Heron. And Castle Crash, September 1st through 4th. There's a lot of badass FPV meetups in the next 3 weeks. Come out and see me. I'm bringing the shop.